This is the deadliest magic trick in the world. Tribute. If I take this coin and this rubber band, I'm going to attempt the world famous bullet catch. Using this rubber band gun, because I'm in the UK, and my mouth. 3, 2, and just like that, the band completely rewraps around the coin. It's even knotted too. Welcome back to another Tutorial Tuesday. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make the world's deadliest magic trick. Tribute. That's because the world famous bullet catch literally has killed many magicians, dozens of magicians throughout history, and I wanted to recreate it, but in a safe, UK-friendly way. So stick around, hit that subscribe button to see way more tutorials like this every single week. If you would like to win the actual gimmicks from today's video, I'm going to send them right to your front door wherever you are in the world. Head to fourthfloor.tv and sign up to the mailing list. The winner will be announced in my next tutorial video. So the first thing you're going to learn how to do is Rory Adams' rubber band gun vanish. He allowed me to previously teach this on my channel for his Lincoln rubber band. Go to the link in the description below to learn that. But this is how you're going to make the rubber band gun. You take the rubber band, wrap it around your middle fingers a couple of times, like this. And then you're going to loop it around your thumb and hook it over the end of your finger, just like this. Now it's going to look like the band vanishes. And unlike other band vanishes, why Rory's method is so good is that I'm not wearing rubber bands on my wrist. And here's the secret. The rubber band is secretly retained around these fingers. So let me show you how that works. I wrap 2 or 3 times, maybe 4 times. I then come around the heel of my thumb and my thumb itself, and I hook it onto the end of my finger. It's probably the most difficult part of the entire effect. And what's going to happen is this is going to shoot back and rotate around and just land here. So all I have to do is not flash the front of my fist. That's part 1. The next part is how you're going to get the band to wrap around the coin. And the secret is actually this. So I have a rubber band glued in a cross to the face of the coin. All I did was take 4 strands of rubber band and glue them around here, just as if I've wrapped the band around the coin. Now, to set up, take your rubber band, double it up just like this, and wrap it around the coin like so. I'm going to align it in line with the first 2 strands. I'm going to do a full twist in the middle and then get it here. On the back, I'm just going to then line everything up just like this so that I can be allowed to quickly flash the coin. Now we're going to put all this together. So this is how it comes together in the routine. I can flash the back of my set of coin, but not for long, right? So I can say, look, the world's deadliest magic trick. Tribute, and I could just spin it around. Now I'm very carefully going to peel off the band without ripping the glued bands off. But this is such a convincing moment that nothing's suspicious, okay? Now I'm going to place this coin into my hand, close my fist so that I don't accidentally flash anything while setting up the rubber band gun. And now I can set this up in front of everyone. The last thing to do is place the coin in my mouth without flashing the back. And whilst it's in my mouth, I'm going to hold my hand beneath it. And if I just blow, the coin's going to flip just that orientation onto my palm. So at speed, it looks like this. Rubber band gun, coin goes in my mouth. Just like that, I shoot it on. The last thing to do is to clean up because obviously you're here. So by making sure you don't flash the band, I pick the coin up with my dirty hand, which is always a great convincer that nothing's in there. And I can show the band is re-wrapped around the coin. And now I place it into this hand. As I do that, I'm going to cover my fingers in front of it as I stick my rubber banded fingers out. And behind the scenes, I'm going to just peel them off my fingers, flip the coin over, and literally use my right hand fingers to stick the rubber band down and just act like I'm pulling it off the coin. And then I can just display this. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Nelly. Nelly, the elephant. As you can imagine, Nelly was named after the rapper, because 90s kid and a facial injury I was growing up. Nelly's always wanted to be a circus performer. So let's make Nelly's dreams come true. Let's give Nelly the circus tent. On the stage, let's place the curtain behind Nelly. Let's move the peanut stand a little bit further away. And just in case there's a stampede, you better put the barrier up so nobody gets killed. Just like this. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to set the scene. Bring down the house lights. Give Nelly the lamplight. 10, 3, 2, Nelly vanishes.
Wow.
But he doesn't disappear completely. Nelly is a greedy elephant that runs all the way over to the peanut stand, stuffs his greedy face. Ta-da!